Do you want to be a millionaire? Then this video is for you. My name is SGK. Everyone want to be a millionaire or billionaire, but in the reality, only few makes it. Do you want to know the truth? Why some people are rich and some people are poor? The truth is their mindset about money. Do you want to know your mindset about money? I got to know about my money mindset through a book called The Secrets of a Millionaire Mind, which is written by T. R. Baker. He is one of the world's best in teaching about money. In this book, I found three things which conditions our mind, which impacts every arena of our life, including money. The first thing is a verbal programming. All the statements which you heard about money when you are young remain in your subconscious mind that created a blueprint for your financial life. A verbal programming is extremely powerful. Here I mentioned few verbal programming which would have happened in your life when you are young. For example, you heard this money statement again and again in your life. I'm not good with money. Money is the root of all evil. I cannot live balanced life if I want to make a lot of money. My financial success depends on the job market and the economy. You have to be in certain profession to make a lot of money. People with money greed. I'm not having a great background. I'm not the right person to attract more money. I'm not having talent. I'm always dependent on others. People are not respecting me because I don't have more money. Like this, there are many verbal conditioning. You need to find out which is stopping your money flow. Once you find out that and change that statement into positive affirmation and say that yourself. For example, if I have a negative verbal conditioning like this, I'm not earning more money. Change that into positive affirmation like this. I'm earning more money. And say the statement again and again to yourself, because what you say to yourself, that is what you became. Take this statement and say it to yourself more than 100 times, because we are not talking to the others the most, we are only talking to ourselves the most. So tell at least 100 times in a day, so soon you became that person. This is one of the powerful way to overcome negative verbal programming, and there are many other ways also. The second thing is modeling. As a kid, as an adult, we learn many things by modeling others. For example, a newly married couple, the wife says, "Don't have ice cream in the night" to the husband. The husband asks why I should not eat ice cream in the night. She tells, "My mom told." Luckily, that day her mom came for dinner, so they decided to ask her, and she told, "My mom told, so I followed." So they decided to call grandma over the phone call to know the truth. The grandma told, "My daughter, she picks up cold very fast, so I decided not to give ice cream, and especially in the night. She gets a cold because of having ice cream. It doesn't mean others also catch cold." You have to find out, did you model any negativity about money? Once you know the truth, you can easily overcome the negative modeling. You can have all the knowledge and skills in this world, but if your money blueprint is negative, you cannot reach great success and you are financially doomed. So overcome that negative modeling. The third thing, specific incident. Specific incident has both positive and negative impact on our life. This incident happened in my friend's life. When he was 8 years old, his dad borrowed a lot of money from local money lenders because his business was not doing well. Every time the money lenders, when they come to his house, he had a lot of fear because they scolded his dad because he was not able to pay on time. From that incident, my friend developed unknowingly the fear of money and doing business. And when he became an adult, he was struggling to make money. Once he identified this specific incident through self talk and other money mindset exercise, which helped him to overcome this. If you picked up any incident like this, please come out of that, because this kind of incident shapes our belief about money and other aspect of our life. Now find out which is stopping you not to earn or attract more money in your life. Is it verbal programming or modeling or specific incident? Once you overcome this, you can become a millionaire or billionaire as you wished. I believe this video has given a great insight about money mindset. So like and share this video. Also give your positive comment in the comment box. To be more happy and more successful in your life, please subscribe my YouTube channel SGK Shiv Ganesh Kumar. Thank you.